Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Remodel Hands with Mia. If you're new here, my name is Samia and I do all things DIY. Today I am building this here desk right behind me, and I was really in the need of a new desk in my room. I had purchased one a few years ago, but it broke. I was moving it across my room and the leg just snapped off. So I decided to just go ahead and build me one that I know that is sturdy and durable and won't take up too much room. So today I'm going to be showing you how to build this here desk behind you. I'm using mostly scrap wood for the frame. The only things that I did purchase were the dowels and the legs for this entire build. So let's go ahead and get started and knock out this desk. For this entire build, I am using birch plywood that I had left over from the cabinet built-ins that I built in the office. So now I'm just building a desk because I had the material, and I am drilling pocket holes right now to be able to attach the desk together. That is going to be my method for this entire build: wood glue and pocket holes. So I'm coming to the center part of my desk, and I want to make sure that that piece is straight because I don't really have a guide. When I was on the edges, the edge of the first board was the guide. So I'm going to use this square right here. It's a rafter square. So I went ahead and found center. I'm going to take my square, and then I did a 3/4. So that's how thick my plywood is. So I'm just going to do the line there, mark that, do it on the other side too. And we should be good. So I'm just going to use that. Alright, so I went ahead and my base is basically all assembled, as you can see here. So these openings are going to be for my drawers to slide in and out, but I feel like they're going to be pretty big and have a lot of hold, which is what I was looking for. Storage is always something that I need more of. So I am going to go ahead and put the other piece. I accidentally used the wrong piece on this one anyway, so it's not the smoothest, but I'll just sand it down, fill in all those areas that look a little spacey and stuff like that, and then we'll be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring that in. I did not drill pocket holes along the top because I can't get my drill in that area because it's just too small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make just drill some pilot holes and screw directly in from there because that's the bottom. So Now I'm moving into building my drawer front. So I usually add on my drawer fronts later and build a full box, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to do something a little bit different. But I also really wanted to add some type of texture or print onto the drawers, so I just decided to use some wooden dowels and put those on, glue those onto the drawer front just to give it some texture, so it wouldn't just be a plain simple desk. So now I'm gonna cut some of the dowels off because I ran out of them, so I'm gonna use the other half to complete the other side of the drawer front. So I'm getting ready to install my drawer slides. I'm gonna sit them an inch off of the frame, an inch off of where the frame is now, because that's the thickness of my drawer front. So when I go in and slide the drawer front, it'll meet the frame. Get this. Alright y'all, so this is the legs. So I don't like them. These are the ones that I originally ordered, and they are a little bit wobbly and too tall. So as y'all can see, the disc like wobbles. I don't like that. I ordered these other legs from Amazon instead. Here they are just a wooden look. I like these so much better. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead, switch these out on here. And that is all for today's video. Here is how the desk turned out, y'all. I love it. It's perfect and it's sturdy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.